Hello everyone, I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's Odds and Ends. If this is your first time here, be sure and subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of all of my new videos. Also, give this video a thumbs up as it really helps the channel out. And now, on with the video.
Hey, here we are outside of room 540 in the Beach Club Villas. We do a little room tour. We haven't posted a studio room tour since 2018. And these were recently refurbished, so we'll have to see what the differences are. Little entryway when you first come in. And first thing you see is the kitchen. Microwave looks new. And that is definitely new. I like that because we have used a Keurig at home and they're really nice. Fridge down here. You got your cups and plates and stuff up here. Sink, trash and recycle. Immediately across from that, hello, is the bathroom. Single sink, vanity. Little storage underneath, got a hair dryer. And your closet, ironing board, luggage rack, extra pillows, and the safe. And behind door number 2 is the bathroom facilities. Toilet, shower, a little artwork. They do have the wall-mounted shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. But now, out into the main, you'll have to excuse our mess. The room was ready really, really late when we arrived. And normally I shoot these before we get anything in the room. Anyway, walking into the living area, queen-size bed, mirror. I really wish Disney would get out of the habit of only putting a nightstand on one side of the bed. That's annoying. You have both parties have cell phones and everything else that they need. Be nice to have something on both sides of the bed. The biggest new addition is the pull-down Murphy bed. This is what it looks like in the daytime. Got the ducks up there relaxing, and there's your couch. I'm not going to pull this down all the way, but I'll kind of show you what it looks like. That pulls down. Looks like the more ducks laying down on the beach. Wonder if that's supposed to be boardwalk across the way. I bet it is. And your bed. Did not sleep on this one, but I have heard they're fairly comfortable. And it just folds back up like that. I don't think anything on this side of the room has been changed. Built into the Murphy bed, you have 2 plugs, a USB-C and a USB-A. This hasn't been changed because it's still only USB-A. Over here, get your TV, some drawers on each side. This still pulls down into a child's bed. And again, this hasn't been changed. You've only got USB-A's, and it is kind of nicked up and worn in spots. But we did manage to snag one of the highly desired Christmas party popcorn buckets. Can't leave without one of those. And this is our balcony outside. It's like Lori's out there having a little drink of water. Our view straight across, let me zoom in. That is the greenhouse for living with the land over in Epcot. And where Lori's sitting facing out that way, I can't see it because of the wall, but if you're out on the balcony and you're facing that way, you could see the new fireworks show. So anyway, that's kind of a quick look at the recently refurbished studio at the Beach Club Villas. It was only a soft goods refurbishment, new mattresses, pillows, and of course the addition of the Murphy bed. Anyway, that'll do it for this room tour. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you on the next one.
This has been an odd production. Thanks for watching.